Hi students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in the subject cloud computing was cloud computing architecture. So this is one of the important topic in your examination point of view as well as the knowledge point of view. If you want to know about the cloud exactly, here you can able to have a clear idea about this cloud computing. Actually, this cloud computing architecture, let's see this diagram. Here what you are observing, let's see this is a cloud. A cloud is nothing but, let's take this is an internet. With the help of internet you are interacting with the applications. So internet, the cloud. Here you are having different systems. So these are all the desktop and the laptop systems are connected, and here the mobile phones are connected in the internet and using the internet, and this is the tablet using the internet. So these are the different electronic gadgets or accessing the cloud. How they are going to access, okay, and what information they want to access. So the different systems, the laptops and the tablets and the mobile phone, whatever they are connected to the internet, they can access the cloud features. The cloud consisting of storage, applications and infrastructure. So these are the three main components that are present in the cloud service providers. Okay, so those will be the cloud service providers providing these services on internet, so that we are accessing those features. So what are the features? Storage for storing the data and retrieving the data, and applications, different applications, software applications which you can access directly with the help of the cloud, different software downloads, different apps, and the infrastructures, the servers. Okay, so this is a general representation of the cloud computing architecture. So whenever you're asked about the cloud computing architecture, just think about different users will be there. The users may access the internet by using any of the gadget, laptop systems, mobile phones, tablets, okay, any of the system, they are accessing the internet and retrieving the information and storing the information and downloading the apps and using the infrastructure, everything present on the cloud. So let's come to the topic. Actually, the cloud computing architecture comprises many cloud components, each of them loosely coupled. Actually, whatever the cloud components that are present in this architecture are loosely coupled, means they are not dependent on one another. One server is not dependent on another server. So these are all loosely coupled. Whoever want to access, they can access. There is no interaction between those systems, those components. We can broadly divide the cloud architecture into two parts. One is the front end and the back end. Generally, the cloud computer architecture, whenever the people think about that, that is a system. Okay, actually this is not a system which you can touch and feel. Okay, it's just a software. So mean not at all the services that are provided by the cloud service providers. So they are having the systems and they are having some equipments which stores the data, okay, and whenever you want to access that, they can provide to you. So now let's see this cloud architecture. The cloud architecture is having two views, two parts, front end and the back end. Front end means whatever you are able to see, that is a front end, and the back end is you can't see what the operational that are existed at back end, you don't know. Okay, so front end refers to the client part of cloud computing system. It consists of interfaces and applications that are required to access the cloud platform. Example is the web browser. So if you want to access any information on the cloud, how you're going to access? You just open any web browser, and suppose if you want to access your Gmail account, so your Gmail information, everything will be provided by the Microsoft organization. These Microsoft organization, they're having their own cloud providers. Okay, so with the help of that, you are accessing your email. So whatever you are able to see on the system, that is a front end. The only thing is whatever you are seeing on the system, the screen, whatever you are seeing on the screen, the interfaces and the applications that are required to access the cloud platform, that is a web browser. That is a front end. Now coming to the back end, what exactly the cloud architecture consists of at the back. At back end refers to cloud itself. The cloud itself is a back end. It comprises a huge data storage will be there, virtual machines will be there, security mechanisms will be there, services, deployment models, servers, etc. So many of things are present in the cloud itself. That everything comes under the back end. Whenever you open the web browser, you can't see what the operations are. You don't know how this page will be appeared to you. Whenever you type www.google.com, you will get the Google page. You don't know what exactly happening at backside. You are only seeing the front end, not the back end. So in the back end, you are having the huge data storage, virtual machines, security mechanisms, services, deployment models, servers, etc. All the software information, related information will be present on the back end. So that will be accessing with the help of the internet. Whatever the service you want, you are accessing with the help of internet. Okay, so this is just a cloud architecture is divided into front end and back end. So let me show you the graphical view of cloud computing architecture. So just graphical view. I said the cloud computing is divided into two parts, front end and the back end. The front end is which the client is used to access, that is a web browser. Let's take one of the example was a web browser, not exactly the only the thing is a web browser. So here the front end is the client infrastructure like your system, okay, your monitor and your keypad and everything. With the help of that, you are accessing the web browser. That is a client infrastructure, and the client also needs the software to install. Your system should be installed with different apps. Your system should be installed with the main thing is the operating system. So that's all comes under the client infrastructure. So this client infrastructure is having some internet connection also. With the help of that, they are connecting some internet providers. With the help of internet, they are accessing the back end of the cloud. This is the front end of the cloud is the client infrastructure, and the back end of the cloud is cloud itself. Cloud itself is the back end. So in the cloud, so the client, whenever you open the system, suppose if you open the web browser and with the help of internet, the web browser, the page will be opened. That page related information comes from the cloud backend. So this backend consists of different applications and managements, securities, services, cloud runtime, storage, infrastructure. Everything will be present at the backend of the cloud. Okay. So this is a graphical view of cloud computing architecture. So in the next video, I'll explain what exactly this cloud computing architecture consists of. Okay, and the basic concept of this cloud computing architecture. So whenever you ask to write about the cloud computing architecture, first try to explain what exactly the cloud computing was and the architecture consists of. Okay, and this cloud computing architecture is divided into two parts, front end and the back end. So, and try to explain this graphical view of cloud computing architecture. Thank you.